My name is Psirogianes, and I'm an occupational therapist at Everpoint Health. So I used to work in finance with veterans, and as I was working, I realized that a lot of the veterans had deficits and they weren't able to function properly. So then I learned about what occupational therapy actually is, and then I went to Fairfield University undergrad and I studied health studies there, and then I went to Seton Hall grad school and studied occupational therapy. So as an occupational therapist, we focus on function. So we want to make you as functional as possible, whether that's being able to do your laundry, being able to do your dishes, or just function in the work field. It's very similar to physical therapy, but we actually specialize in the upper extremity. In order to measure patient outcomes, we focus on pain levels. So 0 to 10, how much is your pain from when you came in, from when you leave? How functional are you in the workforce versus how functional are you at home? Are you able to do your laundry? Are you able to bend down and reach into cabinets? And are you able to do those things that you love to do, like golf and tennis? As an occupational therapist, I specialize in the upper extremity. So I specialize in the brachial plexus, which means all the nerves that are in your upper extremity. If you have any nerve pain, often we see carpal tunnel patients, distal radius fractures, if you break your wrist, if you break your elbow. Another common injury that we see are tennis elbow and golfer's elbow. So if you play tennis a lot, if you golf, if you're typing on your computer a lot of times you see the injuries in the elbow. At Everpoint Health, we work collaboratively as a team, and that's what I love the most. In some outpatient clinics, it's really difficult to reach out to doctors and to get responses, but here we can just walk right over and get the information that we need. Outside of work, I'm a personal trainer. I also played soccer in college, so I love playing soccer. I love playing with my two dogs and just staying active.